Idol. Hamamatsu Pinoy Idol. Ay, okay. Sige, okay lang.
I-announce na lang daw. I-announce na.
Ay, oo.
Okay, and our Utawid Hamamatsu Idol 2013 is contestant number 7, Congratulations to all our winners. And may I also call on the Executive Committee of Utawid Hamamatsu to join us on stage. May I call on Ms. Emiko Abe.